Easy Artisan Bread. Bakery-style bread you can make at home. Welcome to our baking class Easy Artisan Bread. Ingredients. 3 1/4 cups bread flour. 2 teaspoons. Instant yeast. 2 teaspoons coarse salt. 1 1/2 cups cool water. Extra bread flour or cornmeal for dusting. Step 1. Mix the ingredients. Whisk together flour, yeast, and salt in a large mixing bowl. Pour in cold water and mix with a spatula or wooden spoon. Shape into a ball. Step 2. Let bread rise. Tightly cover the dough with plastic wrap or aluminum foil. Allow bread to rise for 2 to 3 hours until it doubles in size. Step 3. Let the dough rest. For best results, let the risen dough rest in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours to at most 3 days. The dough will puff up but deflate after 2 days. Don't worry, this is normal and part of the process. Step 4. Preheat oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, 246 degrees Celsius. Step 5. Dust nonstick baking sheet with bread flour or cornmeal. Transfer dough to working surface and cut in half. Shape into 2 long 9 by 3 inch loaves. Cover and allow to rest for 45 minutes. Then use a knife to make 3 1/2 inch slashes on the loaves. Step 6. Bake in the oven. For a crispier crust, put a metal or cast iron baking pan at the bottom rack. Put 3 to 4 cups boiling water in the pan to create steam. Place dough in the center rack of your oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until crust is golden brown. Let cool and enjoy. Follow and like for more.